Ever pondered why the simple act of chopping onions brings tears to your eyes? It's not because onions carry a tragic backstory, but rather a scientific phenomenon at play. Inside every onion, a complex chemical warfare awaits, ready to be unleashed the moment you slice into it. Onions contain a compound known as syn-propanethyl S-oxide. This is the invisible adversary that launches an attack on your eyes. When you cut into an onion, its cells sustain damage, releasing this compound into the air. Upon reaching your eyes, this chemical irritant stimulates your tear glands, prompting them to produce tears in an attempt to wash away the compound. The tearful response varies from person to person. Some individuals may find themselves wiping away a river of tears, while others might only experience a slight prickle. This is due to individual differences in tear production, eye sensitivity, and even the method employed in chopping the onion. Now that you understand the science behind this tear-jerking kitchen task, it's time to flip the script. There are several strategies to minimize the waterworks while chopping onions. Chilling the onions in the refrigerator before cutting is one such method. The cold temperature slows down the release of the syn-propanethyl S-oxide, giving you a head start in the battle against tears. Using a sharp knife is another effective tactic. A sharper knife causes less damage to the onion cells, thus releasing fewer tear-inducing irritants. Finally, cutting the onion under running water can also help. The water washes away the irritant even before it can reach your eyes, keeping the tears at bay. So the next time you find yourself on onion chopping duty, equip yourself with these strategies, outsmart the onion and its chemical defenses, and say goodbye to those unnecessary tears. After all, the only tears in the kitchen should be those of joy from a delicious meal.